You're deploying apps to Kubernetes, but are your secrets secure? In this video, I'll show you how to protect your Kubernetes secrets using Mozilla SOPS and GitHub Actions. We'll encrypt them, store them safely in Git, and automatically decrypt them in CI/CD. Let's be honest, committing plain text secrets to your repo is a disaster waiting to happen. One leak and your API keys, database passwords, or TLS certs are exposed. Even private GitHub repos aren't safe from insider error or misconfigured access. That's why you need a real secrets management strategy. Today, I'll show you a clean, developer-friendly approach using Mozilla SOPS. First, we're going to install SOPS and GPG on macOS. Now generate a new GPG key. Choose RSA 4096 when prompted and follow the interactive setup. Once that's done, list your key to find the key ID. You can optionally export the public key if you need to share it with a team or CI/CD system. Now let's create a dummy Kubernetes secret file that we want to encrypt. Now we'll encrypt the secret using SOPS. We'll specify our GPG key by its fingerprint or email. To read the file, just use the decrypt flag. You can view it as plain text. You can apply the decrypted version to your cluster using kubectl, but in automation, you can decrypt on the fly. If you're just testing, you can clean up the Kubernetes secret like this. And that's it. You now know how to use SOPS and GPG to safely store Kubernetes secrets, even in Git repos. If this helped you, hit the like, subscribe, and check out subnetsavvy.com for more DevOps guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching.